Moreover, I think the left causes are constantly shifting in order to exclude one by one the people who are identified as the enemy. One by one, the institutions of our society have been condemned as oppressive and denounced. The family in the 1960s, then marriage itself. Then marriage becomes completely reshaped as a contractual agreement for the sake of sexual pleasure, rather than for producing children and so on. These institutions are one by one denounced as incompatible with the new forms of liberation, and those who defend them are suddenly demonized. We saw this it was very interesting in the case of the gay marriage thing. I don't want to say whether that's a good thing or a bad thing that it changed, but what happened was, if you look back, that for a long time politicians said, no, we're not in favor of gay marriage. Barack Obama questioned, said, no, of course I'm not in favor of that. I'm in favor of homosexual rights, of course, but not in favor of altering the institution of marriage in this way. Within a year, he was saying, I am in favor of gay marriage. And within another year, he was joining forces with those who say that those who are against gay marriage are homophobes, the enemies of society. So something which had been judged perfectly legitimate to oppose suddenly becomes the criterion of moral merit. And I think we've seen this in all sorts of issues that we've gone through in recent years. All of us are within one tiny step of being demonized. There's something that you're still holding on to that somebody tomorrow will tell you it is oppressive to hold on to, and that you are the enemy of the people. And that is something which I think is inherent to this left-wing view, this negative, repudiating view. It means that once it gets into office, you're never safe from going the next step towards total anarchy. So, and although that's perhaps an extreme way of putting it, I'll leave it to you to denounce me. We've got 20 minutes to do it. Thank you.